Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad E14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's address the issue at hand. If your Lenovo ThinkPad E14 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This problem often arises due to a faulty battery or power supply. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, potentially damaging other internal components. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the ThinkPad E14, starting from one edge and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once you have the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components. The next step is to locate the battery and power connector. This is usually situated near the center of the laptop. If you notice any swelling or damage to the battery, it is likely the cause of your power issue. To extract the battery, carefully disconnect the power cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. You may need to remove a few screws securing the battery in place, so keep track of these. Ensure you apply just the right amount of force, as over-tightening can strip the screws. When you have the battery removed, it's time to replace it. Position the new battery in the same orientation as the old one and secure it with screws. Reconnect the power cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly attached. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back cover, pressing down around the edges to ensure it clicks into place. At this point, it's important to check that the device powers on before you finish. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly check the health of your battery and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. If you're using your device heavily, consider investing in a cooling pad to maintain optimal temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.